Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing this quick and easy DIY, and it is the floral mirror that you all have been seeing all over the internet. So I decided to do one, and I decided to show you all how I did it. So of course you're going to need flowers, and I got these from the dollar store, and they're $1 and you get maybe 5 or 6 on one stem or whatever. So you just want to go through and pluck them off the stems, and you will also need a hot glue gun. I tried using E6000 but that did not work, so I feel like the hot glue gun will work better, so that's what I used. And obviously some type of mirror. I got this mirror from Walmart, I think, and it's just a regular $4 or $5 mirror. And you could just choose any mirror that you want, any size, any color. The color really doesn't matter if you plan on covering the whole frame like I did. And this really doesn't need much of an explanation. I'm just going to show you all what I did. It's pretty self-explanatory, so you could just watch if you're interested in seeing how I created my mirror.